and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm doing a nice little Thanksgiving vlog. I'm sadly not going home for Thanksgiving because we have a basketball tournament coming up, so I and my teammates have to stay here on campus while everyone's home with their families. Yeah, we're here. But we are going to Coach's house tonight. She's making us a nice Thanksgiving meal, and I'm really excited because she's making me a whole bunch of like vegan dishes, so about to be eating really good tonight. Just gonna have a good time, enjoy a nice home-cooked meal, because Lord knows I haven't had one of those in forever, because you don't really cook that often, but I'm gonna keep that on the DL. But I don't really have anything planned for today. I probably won't be doing any Black Friday shopping like in stores. I probably won't only be doing some Black Friday shopping online. I'll be making another video of what I buy for Black Friday once I get all my packages in. Girl, I bought too much stuff, like way too much stuff. Like my pockets are like, why? It's the beginning of the month. Well, it's the end, but I just got paid. But you just got paid. You gotta wait like a whole nother month to get paid again. So like, what were you thinking? But keep watching so you can see what all I have in store for today. So I know I look like a hot mess right now, but we just finished practice, ate lunch, and we're about to go take a nap. This is Erica, by the way. Hi. This is my teammate. There you go. But yeah.
My name's Erica, yeah.
It's my teammate Erica, you know. Follow her on IG.
It's Erica. Don't forget it.
All right, y'all, just tag her Instagram below. But yeah, we're about to go take a nap, and then we're gonna get ready for Thanksgiving meal at Coach's house. And yeah, go from there. This is about to be the fastest makeup job I've ever done. I don't know why I waited so late. I set an alarm though, but guess what time I set it for? 6:30, not 3:30.
So you feel real late.
Right. If it wasn't for y'all blowing up my phone.
This practice tomorrow is at 10.
Oh, it's still kind of early. She ready.
I'm ready.
She ready. Let me see the fit. Model real quick.
The fit is not that.
Yeah, but it's like, it's cute. It's a little off the shoulder.
Basic.
Oh, but wait till the shoes come on. Oh, she gonna be popping.
Yeah.
Cute.
Yeah.
This is
Let me get you. Let me get you.
She lied.
Here you go.
My name right now for today, for Thanksgiving, is Bonquisha.
Bonquisha.
She cute though. Bonquisha. Yeah. Let me see the fit.
You.
Let me see a little 360. Oh. Let me see the fit, E. Okay, swag. Well, we're headed to Coach's house. We're about to go have a nice Thanksgiving meal as a team. And yeah, I'll keep you updated on what we ate. So we like get cute a lot of them.
We like to get cute.
This is Mo and Bonquisha.
What? My name is Monet.
I said Mo and Bonquisha. That's my name.
Mo. Oh, that's your name. Yeah, with them bamboo earrings and that 3B ponytail.
Showing up as the auntie and I just put the mud. The auntie at the family reunion.
I get a handshake. That's it for you.
Can you ever make your plate for you?
Y'all hungry?
Who's that?
We're ready to eat.
We're ready to what?
We're ready to eat. We're hungry.
I'm signing up for this.
Sign me up.
I'm about to make more like this.
Yeah.
I'm about to win. Okay?
We're about to
I'ma
eat.
win.
We're hungry.
Be tomorrow.
Where you at? So this is my Thanksgiving dinner. This is okay. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Annie.
She can't talk right now. She a little
occupied.
Yeah.
What is her name? I'm thinking of Ariana. Jess. Oh, Jess.
I was told that he said it was. Or he was jumping. Sorry that he lied.
Yeah. Was that when he had...
Just watch that show?
Yeah.
Korean House. It was kind of lame.
Yeah, it was. Because they tried to do like the That So Raven spinoff, but Corey going to college.
Where is he now? Anyone know?
Who? No, Corey Braxton.
He hanging out with Soulja Boy.
Soulja Boy. The dance moves. Baxter. The lady Baxter.
I don't know that one.
And they... Get silly. Kimmy?
B11.
I-18. And 37.
Stop.
B7.
We just started. We just started. We just started. We just started.
See what she did? She got bingo. Right? What's up?
We just started. Nightmares come true. It was time to marry the game, and I said,
Yeah, I don't.
If you want it, you gotta see it. What
Yeah, I do. I do.
got shawty, she tryna bless me like I said I chew.
Like somebody sneeze.
Hey everybody, so thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. So that's it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know I didn't do much, only had practice, took a nap, and then got ready to go over Coach's house for dinner. I didn't really do much, but like today was really eventful and I had a lot of fun. Hang out with my teammates and friends. Yeah, like I couldn't really ask for a better day. I feel like I haven't like dressed myself up in a bit. So like actually doing all this, even though it's like really simple, I just feel like I feel like a new woman because like I haven't been putting on makeup, I haven't been doing my hair, I haven't been doing anything really. So like this is a lot for me. I hope you ate a lot of food. I know I had about like 2.5 plates. Girl was hungry before, but did snag me some leftovers. Oh, they're heavy. Got me a big tray of leftovers. I'm gonna eat them all. I'm really excited for it. But hope you guys got what you wanted. Let me know what you got for Black Friday. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next vid. Peace.